Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into Figma for your design projects, you know that resizing frames can be a real headache, especially when you've got content inside that you don't want to mess up. In this video, we'll cover how to resize frames in Figma the right way for 2025, keeping everything looking sharp and professional. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, this tip will save you time and frustration. Let's jump right in. First things first. Open your Figma file and select the frame you want to resize. You'll see those handy corner handles. Go ahead and click and drag to adjust the size. But hold on, if you do this without preparation, your content might stretch, shrink, or even overflow. That's where Figma's constraints come in. Right-click on your frame, head to the Constraints menu, and set rules for how elements inside behave. For instance, choose Scale for items that should grow with the frame, or Fixed for things that need to stay put. Next, if you're working with auto layout, and you should be, enable it on your frame. This feature is a game changer in 2025's Figma updates. It automatically adjusts spacing and sizes of your content as you resize the frame. Just select your frame, go to the Design panel, and toggle on Auto Layout. Now, as you drag the handles, watch how your elements adapt seamlessly. Pro tip: always preview your design by switching to the prototype mode to catch any issues, like text overflowing or images distorting. One common pitfall is forgetting to check for responsive settings on mobile views, so make sure to test across different screen sizes. If you're dealing with images or vectors, use the Fill or Fit options in the Properties panel to maintain quality. Wrapping this up, resizing frames in Figma with content doesn't have to be complicated. With constraints and auto layout, you'll maintain a polished design every time. Give this a try on your next project, and if it helps, drop a like and subscribe for more Figma tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.